Hi friends, in this session I am going to explain about how to download and install Northwind database in SQL Server. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe and like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I am providing complete training of Power BI from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario based monthly updates, much more updated in this channel. If you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely will get the job and also easy to survive in real-time environment. So in this video, we'll take a look how to download and install Northwind database in SQL Server step-by-step process. Let me go to my browser, Northwind database.bak file download. Let me click. So let me download northwind.bak.zip file. Okay, download is started. Let me click this, Ctrl A, Ctrl X. Let me click here. Okay, I have already downloaded the file. I'm just extracting. Okay, cut this file. Let me go to C drive, program files, Microsoft SQL Server, MS SQL 14, GB SQL, MS SQL, backup. Here paste Northwind database. Let me open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Close this one, it's not required. Don't worry, it won't take much time. Yes, let me connect. Databases, right click, restore database, select device, ellipse symbol, click on add, select northwind.bak, click on OK, click on OK again. Now it's ready. Now just click on OK. Yes, database Northwind restored successfully. Okay, now my database is loaded into the SQL Server. Let me check into the Power BI desktop how it is working. So let me connect to my SQL Server. Okay, Northwind database is there. Expand here and just selecting few tables to test it is loading properly or not. Let me click on load. Click on OK. While loading the tables, it will the relationship. That is the beauty of Power BI desktop. That means model is automatically it will build. Okay, my tables are loaded now. Let me go to data view. Let me check the data is available or not. Yes, my tables are loaded with the data. So my database is working fine. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If anybody wants special training, please email to this email or you can directly call to this number. My WhatsApp number also same number. Okay, thank you for watching my video.